In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate how to analyze trends in payroll balance types, compare performance across time periods, and access detailed balance insights using Oracle Fusion HCM Analytics. Oracle Fusion HCM Analytics provides pre-built dashboards that help me monitor payroll costs, analyze trends over time, and compare performance across business dimensions. I can also build custom analyses using delivered subject areas to answer specific business questions without recreating reports. In this scenario, I'm a payroll manager analyzing payroll balance trends, comparing results over time, and analyzing data across business units, locations, and job roles. I'll start by opening a pre-built workbook in the catalog. In the Fusion HCM folders, I'll find Pre-built Detail and Overview Dashboards. I'll open the Payroll Balances Overview. Now I can explore trends, drill down for more information, or use the filters to select specific values. On the second canvas, I can review specific payroll details. If I need a full list of pre-built dashboards, analyses, and subject areas, I can use the Fusion HCM Analytics reference documentation to confirm what's available in this release. Now I'll build a custom analysis to answer specific business questions. From the catalog, I'll begin by selecting Create, then Workbook, and select the Payroll Balances Monthly subject area, which is designed for month-level analysis. Access to this subject area requires the Payroll Analysis duty role. Before creating visualizations, it's best practice to add dashboard filters to improve query performance and to give consumers the choice to narrow down the data. I'll add attributes like business unit name, legal employer name, and department name to the dashboard filters. I'll set my filters to a single business unit name, so I'm working with a controlled slice of data as I build the analysis. I want to understand the trend of total earnings over time, so I'll create a trend visualization by selecting Analytical Currency Total Earnings and Month. Then choose Create Best Visualization. This generates a line chart. I can further focus my analysis by setting a filter on trailing month number for the last 12 months. I'll move and resize my visualization so I don't need to scroll. I'll also set the canvas properties so the visualization fits the screen size. Now I can see everything more easily. I want to understand what could be driving the changes in total earnings, so I'll add worker count to the visualization. This helps me see how workforce size relates over time to payroll costs. To estimate where this trend may be heading, I'll right-click the new visualization, select Add Statistics, and then Trend Line. Next, I'll compare performance across time using built-in metrics like prior period values, variance, and growth rate. I'll create a new canvas and copy the dashboard filters from my first canvas. I'll also add a filter for year and set it to 2024. I'll create a table visualization by selecting the metrics I want to see and dragging them to the canvas. Now I can make quick comparisons without manual calculations. Next, I want to identify where payroll costs are concentrated, so I'll break down payroll balances across attributes like balance type, location, and job family. I'll duplicate my canvas so I retain the dashboard filters, and I'll create a bar chart with total earnings by balance name. Now I'll duplicate that visualization and replace balance name with location name. To make this information easier to understand, I'll change the visualization type to map. Finally, I want to analyze payroll balances against job family. I'll start by duplicating the bar chart. This time, I'll replace balance name with job family and change the visualization type to Treemap. To make the results easier to understand, I'll apply job family to color. Now that I've created trend, comparative, and breakdown analyses, I can better understand payroll patterns and drivers across business dimensions. For more information and additional resources on using Oracle Fusion HCM Analytics, check out the links below.